guys, welcome to Aclaireytale. How are we all? Today I'm going on a fun adventure to Epcot with Craig, because obviously it's Tuesday and we both have Tuesdays off. And I'm really excited. We were a little bit spoilt for choice. We did not MGM. Listen to me, I sound so old. We did Hollywood Studios recently, so we thought let's not do that one. And then I did MK yesterday, so I was like, why don't we do Epcot? We never really do Epcot as guests just because we are there every single day because we work there. So I said, how about we do Epcot and we do some of the sort of rare characters, not rare but the ones that you don't tend to see often. So we're going to try and do that. I've got my Elsa top on today because I really want to go and meet Elsa, even though it's Craig's least favourite. We'll try and drag him there. But yeah, hopefully, so it should be a nice day. It's quite sunny at the moment, but it's set for rain for 3ish, so we might get washed out. It's 12 now. So yeah, let's have a nice little day in Epcot. I'll take you along, obviously. We just got to Epcot with Craig. Hey. We're gonna do we're gonna meet some characters, aren't we?
We are.
What should we do? Baymax?
Joy, sadness.
Joy, sadness.
Got Starbucks before we go.
Oh yeah, let's get Starbs. I've never met those, so I'm really excited to meet them. So we've had our Starbucks breakfast and we're heading into Ellen DeGeneres Universe of Energy. I heard this is closing.
I think it is.
That's really sad, so we're gonna do it. It's so good, I love it. Everyone doesn't really like it, but I think it's hilarious. And it's a nice place to cool and chill. And
look at those stormy clouds.
Look at those guys. Ugh. Oh sorry, I was going the wrong way.
You really got under my chin there.
Yeah, it's really gonna, but I reckon it's gonna thunderstorm.
More about energy. Oh, don't I know, it's scary. So my neighbor, Bill Nye, stepped in to help me out. Bill Nye, the science guy. You know him? Anyway, so he comes in to help me out. That's what's going on. Got it? Good. If you don't, then that's your problem because you're late. And if you think about that next time.
Awkward. Well, we've come out of Ellen 37 minutes later and it's raining.
But at least we know all about energy now.
Yeah. Brain power.
I felt like that was a bit lame.
No, it was good. I love Ellen. I laugh at every single joke of hers, so I liked it. But it is long. But they're changing it soon, so that'll be good. I wonder what they're going to change it to. Maybe something. I hope it's something like that though. I like it when it's educational.
Oh no, I want something exciting. Epcot needs something fun.
Gonna go in here now. We haven't been in here since our Traditions Day and I couldn't record it. Not Traditions, Discovery Day, sorry, Discovery Day. We found microscopes. Ooh, it's your skin. That's so weird. The pizza. That's hilarious. Yes, we're gonna go and see Elsa. We're about to meet Elsa and I'm so scared. I'm starstruck. She's my absolute fave. Hello, come on over. Oh, you're working with my sister and your friends. You know, we actually have full portraits in the castle. Maybe I'll have to just like right behind the white portraits. That'd be perfect. I mean, I do love to talk to the portraits. Yeah, we never really talk about it. So one time Olaf came around the corner and we talked about 4 of the portraits. I'm really glad I know it's a lot.
Ready, ladies? Yes. By this way. And got it on it.
Did you want to come on the portraits too? Come on.
Yeah, go on now. Double camera hands.
Oh my goodness! I'm wondering I did. Oh,
Maybe next week we'll have to go and sing together. No, I'm definitely
I love her. She's so cute. She even saw my necklace and she was like, oh, I love your snowflake. Does that mean you have special powers too? And I was like, sure I do, yeah. So the other thing that you do when it's raining in Epcot is come into the American Adventure Pavilion and do the show here. Meet and greet with Voices Liberty. That's so good. They're so mesmerising.
Yeah,
So
really.
I suddenly feel really like patriot. What happened there?
I just was like, this umbrella bit popped off and flew away.
Yeah, I feel really patriotic for the wrong country. So I've just been laughing for about 10 minutes at this. That's just my humour. Craig's not impressed. We've come into Coca-Cola because there's not much else you can do in the rain in Epcot when you're rained out, and everyone's here as well. Are you actually going to have the Beverly? Do you actually? I thought you hated it.
I'm gonna make you sit or something.
Oh, are you? I'm definitely not having Beverly. I'm gonna go for, this is what we had in Skipper Canteen.
That mixed Beverly and Sparberry.
Just around this corner is Baymax. Yeah. I'm so excited. What is Baymax doing with his head? Oh, he blinks. He blinks. Oh, we've got to do the high five. Craig's getting a selfie with Baymax. Aww. So cute. He's like creeping over your shoulder. Go on. Yeah, I'm videoing. Aww.
cute. I don't think you can see.
Oh yeah. Did you know?
I think I'm laughing.
I just looked over to you and the camera's on the floor like that. Bye, baby.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. So I don't think Craig got my fist pump because he was laughing. I looked over and my camera's on the floor. You ruined it. That fist pump was like...
This is why I'm not a YouTube star.
So we've rewatched the footage and Craig did get the fist pump. I think he chopped my head off at some point, but he got it. We are now heading to See with Nemo and Friends because it's the only fast pass we could get that wasn't the land. Because I'm not going on the land.
We love the land.
No.
We love you, land. We do.
No, we don't.
We
Woo!
to spend money.
Come here. Hey, I'm feeling a bit clammy, Craig.
It's horrible. I just think Nemo's so disrespectful.
What, for taking off?
He's gone missing, now he's pretending to be missing. Wow, totally cool, dude.
Get a louder, kid.
Hey, check out what I can do!
Righteous offspring!
Oh, that the manatees. This one come out with turtle talk.
It's so sweet.
They're so slow moving, aren't they?
So right by the window right now, he's missing about 90% of that tail paddle. Both of these manatees were rescued, and when they need more time to recover before they can go back out into the wild, they can come to a place like Disney. We are a rehabilitation facility for manatees. So some facilities are rescue and rehab, where some are just rescue, but we are just rehab. So the goal is to get them healthy and put them back out in the wild.
Discovering new things today. Undersea viewing area. Oh, this is cute. Are we in SeaWorld? Oh, this is nice. The things you can get up to when it's raining in Epcot. Oh, it goes all the way around.
This thing looks like Mickey's ears, the hole.
Oh yeah, hidden Mickey. Whoa, da-da-da-da. Look at him. Da-da-da-da. He is so scary. Oh my god, that's frightening. The thing is with sharks, I don't think of Jaws. I think of that. Have you ever seen Deep Blue Sea?
Yeah.
One of the most frightening movies ever. He's back. Oh my god, he's coming right at us. Oh my god. That was scary. He literally came straight for Craig. They're so ugly, aren't they? Poor little fishies. Oh, there's a crossing going on. Traffic. A not so hidden Mickey right there. Oh my god, that's cute. That's really good.
Really good.
There's another one wearing. They feel so close, don't they? It feels like they're going to touch us. We always sort of step back.
I wouldn't be scared.
These guys like to stick into your punches. Oh my god. It's really scary. Coming into another one now. Oh wow. They're interesting, aren't they?
Yeah, they're looking at fish that don't move.
You having fun?
Should we do beginner or I think we're beginners?
Yeah.
I don't know much about the sea.
You did work for the sea.
I did. Ready to pop the question?
It's going to be false. Good job there's no such thing as a peanut butter fish. Did you see that?
Oh, I don't know. What do you think? I think 25.
Yeah. Oh, I don't know. It's true. A dead jellyfish can sting you. Wow. They just don't know it. Oh. Well, that was disappointed. Found him.
There's no one with a pizza here.
What's that thing?
It's like a weird like octopus.
Oh, what is that? Cuttlefish.
A flamboyant one.
Well, that was a short rainy day in Epcot.
But we had a good time.
We did. So we're going to go off now. I'm going to go to Publix, I think, do boring stuff. Well, thank you so much for watching. Bye!
Bye!